Welcome to my Garage Talk series. This is where we're going to work on projects. We're going to have guests here. Who knows what's going to be rolling in here, but stay tuned. This is where it's all going to happen. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us for Garage Talk series. I got my friends here, Jimmy and Daniel. We're going to be doing some work to the bus. We're going to be doing windows, so let's see how this turns out. After 3 days of having a hard time putting this glass in, we took the seal off the glass, see if there was any issues in the track where the glass fits into the seal. Nothing in there, so just tried cleaning the track again, look at the track, make sure everything was good, nothing poking up, and decided to go ahead and try it again. So we put the glass in the seal, lubed it all up, got all the soap and water on there, and we just kept trying and trying and trying. This time we kept the seam on the bottom of the glass, bottom center. Not sure if that's going to help, but we just try to make sure that the track was smooth, nothing poking up or anything like that. So I just try to get a little piece of board in there and just kind of took a hammer and just try to make sure it was flat, smooth, and trying anything at this point.
I always started from the top and then ended at the bottom, let gravity help us.
All right, here's for try number 7. You think we're gonna make it?
Push this bottom corner out, the whole window. Push it out, just light. Keep going. Get it over that lip towards me. Right? All right, Daniel.
You push that
your
way.
side
Okay.
to me.
Now.
Yep. Ah, there we go. A little bit.
You fit in here, brother. Fits in. Pull the stuff. Pull this. It'll. I was like, this thing can't conquer us.
Once I started pushing
Yeah.
down and in on this side, it started going in.
Okay, we're in.
You're in?
We're
All
in.
the way around? It's
Yep,
nice?
it's all the way in.
Okay, good. All the way in.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Yeah, it looks good.
Good work, guys.
This looks good on the outside, too.
Yeah.
That's it? All right.
This looks great. Frank.
Perfect.
It looks great.
And once it heats up, it'll expand.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think we'll be good.
Put this bad boy in the sun, let this dry out.
Wasn't this,
We'll get the sun later.
Good, man.
Good.
guys, wasn't this fun?
Yeah,
Good
can
work,
we do
guys.
the other side now that we're...
Hey, we got it though.
Good work, guys.
We got it.
What I'll do is I'll pull this over this.
Yeah. Get that spatula.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now I have to wait till I get that mirror for that window.
What, to do the other side?
Yeah. Because I bought the seal for the that vent window, and
Yeah.
I bought the seal for the glass itself. And then we have stuff right over here.
It's funny because I kind of almost wasn't trying. I was just like, let me see if this will push in. And
Yeah.
when it started to push in, I'm like, okay, wait a second, we got something here.
Yeah.
I think you're on to something
There we go.
And they didn't have to slice all the seal?
here. Yeah, no.
Nope. Didn't cut any of it.
Nothing, didn't cut
Thank
at all.
goodness.
Yeah, I was...
That's what would have happened if you guys didn't come today.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We got this.
I got this.
We got this show. Got a little bit there.
Oh yeah.
See that?
Look at
That
that.
makes me happy.
Yeah. Good work, guys. Holy crap. Wasn't that a pain in the neck? So at least we got one window in.
Yeah, that's good.
We'll have to do the other one next.
Yeah.
Well, now we know.
Yeah, it's gonna take
Instead
a lot
of-
of
instead
lube
of-
and a lot of.
Instead of pushing straight in, you gotta go down and in like at an angle.
Yeah.
You gotta angle it in.
I'd say you just get one solid window.
Yeah.
You know, that side.
All you have to do is get the other one here and just put it on the other side.
Let's just get a piece of metal in.
Actually, just you could get the thing and then you can put the shovels on the outside and make it like a overlander.
Yeah.
You don't even need glass.
Yeah.
You're not looking out that window anyway for
Just do a semi
driving. This is the window you need to look at.
Well, this one, the cabinet's right here, blocks the whole thing.
Oh yeah.
But that one, yeah, there's nothing on that
No.
one. But
I hate those cabinets. You can't see out the window.
yeah,
I would customize it and just go low.
I like the low cabinets.
Yep, just
Yeah.
go low so you can see out the window.
solo.
So low.
All right,
Yeah.
good.
So that's good. All right, well, after a lot of water, Dawn dish soap, and creating a bunch of new swear words,
we were able to get the window in. It took, I don't know what, guys, three more times, I think. We had to pull the window out, try to pop that in, but it is in. The most difficult window I think we probably all have ever put in. But I think the seals are a little funky, you know, they're not the best quality, so it seemed like they were a little fatter, but hey, anyway, we got them in. So that's it. Thanks for sticking around. Take care, everyone. I want to thank Jimmy and Daniel for coming over and helping me. Jimmy was over here twice on this project. Dan came over here to give us another hand here, see if we can accomplish it. We definitely made it happen. Who knows, maybe it was the coffee and donuts this time. But we did it. The window's in. I'm excited. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.